Hi, this is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to use a custom chatbot that was created in collaboration with Emma Boileau. And this custom chatbot in MagicSchool AI will help you to very quickly generate workstations for your elementary school students. So the first thing that you'll need to do is add the custom chatbot to your MagicSchool account. And to do that, we're going to use a bit.ly link. So the link is bit.ly/workstation generator. And when you type in that URL, it's going to open up MagicSchool. You'll need to make sure that you are logged in and that you have the MagicSchool Enterprise version, or you will not be able to access this custom tool. So if you don't have the Enterprise version, please contact us and we can help you out with that. When you type in the bit.ly, it should direct you to MagicSchool, and MagicSchool will ask if you want to add the workstation generator to all tools. And go ahead and click Add Custom Tool. Then you'll be able to go to the search bar and search Workstation Generator. And you can see that it's created right here. So the prompt is already filled in for you. It says you're an elementary school teacher. This information will be for your students. Familiarize yourself with the standard or resource that is provided. So you as the teacher will provide the standard that you're working on or a resource that you've been working with that you would like to create a workstation around. The prompt continues, I need you to develop a 10-minute workstation activity for students. Students should collaboratively work in groups of 4 to complete a task that includes an accountability piece. Provide student-friendly directions and an extension activity for earlier finishers. Provide a list of materials. It also clarifies to MagicSchool that the teacher will not facilitate this activity, so students will need to be able to do it entirely on their own with their collaborative group. And we've asked it not to assign any roles for the group, but if you would like for it to assign roles, you can change this piece and ask it to assign roles. From here, we're going to go ahead and click Generate. Then it will clarify what we've asked it to do. And I'm going to include use South Carolina standard and I'm just copying and pasting this standard straight from the state document, and I'm also going to include the indicator insight. And then I'm going to press send message, and I'll wait for it to generate a workstation activity for students. After it generates the activity, I can look through it and see what I like and what I don't like about it. I can look at the materials list, and here is where you can make any changes that you would like for it to make. So if I didn't have counting cubes, I can tell it we don't have counting cubes. It may tell you that you need a certain template or that you need a certain text if you're doing this for ELA, and you can either tell it that you don't have it. If it asks you for a text, you can ask it to create the text. So for now, I'm just going to prompt it that we don't have counting cubes. Then it's going to regenerate the materials list based on that. I can also look at the mystery cards. So it's giving me a mystery card sort, and it's giving me a few. So I could ask it for more mystery cards. And now it's going to provide me with 20 mystery cards for my workstation. So what it will not do is it will not actually create the cards, and for the accountability piece, it will not actually make this into a worksheet. So what I could do for the accountability piece is simply copy it, open up a Google Doc and paste it into the Google Doc and then format it a little bit based on how I want it to look. For the mystery cards, I would recommend creating these in Canva. So if you go to Canva and you type in flashcards, I'm going to be sure to go to templates. You'll see that there are a lot of different flashcard templates. I can choose one that I like and simply customize the template and paste from MagicSchool into Canva, and then that will give me the cards. So when I've chatted with the workstation generator and I've gotten exactly what I need, I can say, combine everything into a succinct lesson plan. And then it's going to give me everything that we've created into one plan. I can then click here to copy, and it should be ready to paste into a Google Doc so that you can save it for later. You could also copy the student directions and put that in a separate document. The accountability sheet would obviously, you would need to reformat that, and you would need to reformat the mystery cards. But that is how the workstation generator works. Please let us know if you have any questions or if we can help you with this. And please like and subscribe for more Dear Diz content.